Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to assign different heading level for the preliminary part of the thesis, which is different from the multi-level heading list, which we assign to the contents part. So for this, first of all, we can click anywhere on the headings. We can see it is linked to heading level 1. Now we can click on more, then create a style. I will write it 3 chapters. So I will modify this. It is based on the heading level 1, so I will first change it to normal. I will make it center aligned. I will change its font, 14 all caps, and after finishing this we can see it is linked to new heading level, but this heading level directly will not be added in table of contents. To add it in table of contents we need to go to references tab, and in the table of contents group we can click on add text, and link it to level 1, and we can do so for all the headings. First of all, link it to different headings level. Then we can go to references tab and click on level 1. After doing so for all the heading levels, we can update the table of content and you will get your table of content.